Welcome to the Huisma family farm in Bakkeveen in the dairy cow province, Friesland. We're proud of our Frisian roots, but all the same, we like to add a bit of international flavour. We started crossbreeding about 4 years ago. We started a crossbreed because we wanted to create a stronger and healthier type of cow with an increased resistance to mastitis. We decided to start crossing with Norwegian Reds, and you can see the results here. What we notice on our farm is the incredible vitality of our cattle. They're average in size and have a very low somatic cell count. We're really happy with the results, and now we've decided to start a three-way cross. We're going to cross these 50% Norwegian Reds with brown Swiss and Austrian Fleckvieh, and then use Holstein again so that the circle is complete and can be started over again.